Galaxy 9 Alpha Whiskey, thank you. Follow that traffic, clear visual approach runway 22 left. Contact Midway Tower 135.2.
Okay, follow the traffic and put the visual to the left, call tower 9 Alpha Whiskey.
Welcome back to the channel. As always, I hope that you're enjoying a very pleasant day. We're here at Purdue Aviation in beautiful Lafayette, Indiana. Nice sunshine here. We took off this morning from Midway. It was a little bit dreary up there, a little bit cooler, but we had a great flight. I was pilot monitoring on the way down. I'll be pilot flying on the way back. If you haven't checked that video out yet, it's available on my channel, and I'll also leave a link in the description below. But on this flight, we'll be taking off. Short little flight, less than 30 minutes. It's kind of unique because you'll get to capture the takeoff, get everything done in cruise, which will be quite a bit that has to happen in a short amount of time, and then we'll be landing back at Midway. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. If you like this video, smash that thumbs up, and as always, please leave a comment below. I love getting your feedback. I love hearing from you guys. If you have anything specific to the G200 or corporate aviation or just aviation in general, please let me know, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you have an idea for a specific video or something you would like to see, let me know, and if I can make it happen, I'll definitely try. All right, take care, fly safe, and I'll talk to you in the air.
And ground, Galaxy 929 Alpha Whiskey.
Galaxy 929 Alpha Whiskey, left the ground.
Purdue Aviation, looking for IFR, Chicago Midway.
Galaxy 9 Alpha Whiskey, cleared to Midway International Airport as fog, plan to maintain 8,000. Departure frequency, Grissom, approach 123.85, squawk 4341.
Okay, clear as file up to 8,000, Grissom 123.85, and a squawk 4341.
Galaxy 9 Alpha Whiskey, read back correct.
And ground 929 Alpha Whiskey, Purdue, we are ready for taxi.
Or Galaxy 902 9 Alpha Whiskey, did you have Oscar?
And we have Oscar.
Galaxy 9 Alpha Whiskey, runway 28 taxi via Echo Alpha, hold short runway 23, and it'll be a hard left turn from where you're at.
Okay, see that, Echo Alpha, and hold short 239 Alpha Whiskey.
All right.
Upper
Awesome. Got the taxi for me.
The first three.
Pretty balanced, so I'm going to go ahead and shut that off before I forget.
Okay.
And we are clear on the left. I'm going to be cutting it over here to the left pretty quickly. Nice turn there. I don't run over Jake. Alright, looking clear on the left. Still looking good by that plane.
Looking good.
Alright.
Ataroo.
That was nice to at least let them know that it's sitting right behind us, because if you're not familiar with the airport, you're looking all over for Echo.
Yeah, saying
It's
good
sitting
hard,
right behind you.
hard left turn. You're like,
Yeah.
Alright.
And holding short of the runway is what I...
Alright, check. Short of 23, I got taxi anti-collisions, upper lower taxi lights on, transponders on, it's a good code to the box. Brakes and steering.
Steering is good, brakes firm on the left.
I like the brakes on this airplane. Nice and get a little mush to them that you can feel.
Right.
Rudder bias check.
Rudder bias. Kick. Oh, a little bit too much there. Sorry about that.
Yeah, she's
Slow us
light
down.
as...
Holy cow, she is light. I'm not used to it. I didn't mean to give it that much jump. There we go. Alright, rudder bias is checked.
Hopefully a good rudder bias kick. Thrust reversers.
Thrust reversers.
Let me get this here. Ball to Gens on.
Alright, looks like we got 2 good ones. And
Galaxy 9 Alpha Whiskey, hold short runway 23 at Alpha for arrival.
Okay, we'll hold short 23 at Alpha for the arrival. And 9 Alpha Whiskey.
Alright, I see the arrival trim.
APU I'm working on,
Roger.
and then just your FATS check.
FATS check, we've got flaps set for 20. I see we've got 20 indicating with slats and Krugers down. Flight air brake is retracted, ground brake is off. Trims are set and speeds are posted.
Check.
Galaxy 9 Alpha Whiskey, cross runway 23 at Alpha.
Okay, cross 23 at Alpha, 9 Alpha Whiskey.
Alright, clear on the left, we are clear to cross.
Clear right.
And got the lights, perfect.
Galaxy 9 Alpha Whiskey, runway 28, line up and wait, traffic landing, runway 23 Cessna.
Okay, runway 28, line up and wait, 9 Alpha Whiskey.
Galaxy 9 Alpha Whiskey, additional traffic on a 6-mile final, runway 28 is an Archer.
Okay, we'll be ready, 9 Alpha Whiskey.
351, traffic holding position,
Alright, take off.
Okay,
Galaxy
Gus
Jet,
Lock, I
runway
see us
28.
off. Flight controls.
Bottom for free.
Wind 210,
Zero lights are on,
9.5.
ECS's both high flow switches off. APRC armed,
northeast
and
bound?
dikes.
Vader 96.
Vader 96, roger, northeastbound departure approved, present position.
And correct runway, I see 28.
That's a 65 Golf, your traffic is a northeastbound
On
departure,
runway
turn base in 5 seconds.
28.
Base 5 seconds, 65 Golf. 251 El Rey inbound. Galaxy 9 Alpha Whiskey, fly runway heading, climb and maintain 8,000. Runway 28, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 28, runway heading, 9 Alpha Whiskey.
Alright, clear for takeoff.
Pretty 61, you have the Cessna in sight?
Okay, power check, got 2 good engines, 005.
not going to work. Pretty 61, it's not going to work this time around.
80 cross check.
Just follow the Cessna, number 2,
Alright,
runway
tops.
23, clear for the option. Alright, clear for the option 23,
V1.
we'll try to get it on the next one,
Rotate.
765 Golf, runway 23, clear for the option, number 1. 23, clear for the option, 65
Positive rate.
Gear up.
Purdue 51, break off your approach, circle runway 23, number 3, follow Archer, being the 2-3 numbers, approaching 4 stack. Alright, we'll break it off, we got that traffic in sight, Purdue 51.
Flight
Purdue
0.
51, roger, thanks for the help, runway 23, clear to land. 23, clear to land, Purdue 51. Galaxy 9 Alpha Whiskey, contact Grissom approach, have a safe flight.
Okay, thanks for having us today, 9 Alpha Whiskey, slow. Clean wing speed.
Roger. Main wing.
Good afternoon, Galaxy 929 Alpha Whiskies out of 2.2, climbing 8, runway heading off Lafayette.
Galaxy 929 Alpha Whiskey, Grissom approach, ident. Galaxy 9 Alpha Whiskey, radar contact 4 miles west of the Lafayette Airport, turn right direct boiler, maintain 8,000.
Okay, right turn direct boiler, maintain 8, 9 Alpha Whiskies.
Direct boiler. Go through a fluffy.
Fluffy. Got gear up, indicating LM is on. The LM indicator's out, TR APRs are disarmed. Slats. Cougar flat lever shows clean wing. As the climb thrust is set, sync is on. Cabin showing a diff, it's climbing, text light switches off.
Roger, thank you.
This is next.
Here's 1,000 to go.
C8.
Galaxy 9 Alpha Whiskey, contact Chicago Center 132.5, good day.
Chicago 32.5, 9 Alpha Whiskey, good day. And Chicago Galaxy 929 Alpha Whiskey with you at 8,000.
929 Alpha Whiskey, Chicago Center, Kankakee altimeter 29095.
2995, 9 Alpha Whiskey.
Endeavor 4835, contact Indianapolis Center 190.55.
3-ways.
As well.
Roger.
Okay, we're heading down to 4.
4,000, roger.
Did do the transitions before seatbelt harnesses
Set left.
on the right. Elevation set, fuel quantity and balance.
Balance with 3950 on board.
Okay, ATIS. We talked about deltas. Current
823 Echo Bravo, contact in
Atlantic.
approach 121.1.
Call a little closer in. Altimeters, we're using 91 at midway, 95 for now. Notices are on, lights are pulsing. Avionics FMS V-speed's been programmed set. We got a rep of 129.
I see it.
And crew brief.
All right, crew brief. We're heading down to 4,000 right now, planning the RNAV 22 left into midway. It'll be sails at 3,000. We have a DA of 942. I've got 950 set over here on the left. If we have to go miss, it'll be climb to 1,300, then climbing left turn to 2,600 to the Piotone VOR and hold, or as directed by ATC.
Okay, good brief. Do they have anything for us after the heights?
After the heights, it's just direct. I'm imagining they're going to give us vectors before then.
What's the next legs?
And November 9 Alpha Whiskey for sequencing, sliding 020.
Okay, heading 020, 9 Alpha Whiskey.
That's what I figured.
Let's steer us there. Don't usually get to come up on that over the heights anymore.
No.
Chicago Center, Guardcopter 26056, up with your level 5,000. Guardcopter 26056, Chicago Center, thank you. The Kankakee altimeter 29905, you do have the weather
About to
NOTAM.
go.
Okay, force set.
We do have weather and NOTAM 2995 for guard 056.
We got 2 signal
Remember,
call.
Yep, I got
our
it.
Guardcopter
Okay.
056, and then you want to shoot it from Koyap, or do you want to go to Piotone, then go Koyap? We'd like to go direct Koyap for guard 056. Sir, expect your clearance there shortly. And November 929 Alpha Whiskey, contact Chicago, approach 128.2.
Oh, 282, Galaxy 929 Alpha Whiskey. Get it.
Seven zero one able direct Dixon.
We're direct, turn direct Dixon, south 2165.
Southwest 2165, thanks, maintain 180 knots.
Okay, they know we're
speed,
coming.
that's 165.
And just switch
Southwest
over.
101,
I haven't
reduce speed
checked
to
in yet.
170, then descend to maintain 3000, join the final approach course.
128.2. I just haven't gotten a
Slow
break.
to 171st, then down to 3000 to join final, Southwest 101.
Flexjet 571, turn left heading 020.
Left turn 020, Flexjet 571.
EasyJet 368, descend to maintain 4000.
Down 4000, ExecJet 368.
Southwest 101, you're 3 miles from steer, cross steer at or above 3000, cleared on at Yankee, runway 22 left approach, speed 170. Flexjet 571, turn left heading 360.
Left 360, Flexjet 571.
Southwest 101, 2 miles from steer, cross steer at or above 3000, cleared on at Yankee, runway 22 left approach, speed 170.
Okay, cross steer at or above 3000, cleared RNAV Yankee for 22 left, Southwest 101.
Flexjet 571, clear direct sales, reduce speed to 170.
Busy man.
Sales,
Yeah, I'll let him call me.
Southwest 2165, 170 knots or greater until Mondo. Contact Midway Tower, Mondo 135.2.
Alright, 170 or greater till Mondo, clear for the approach tower at Mondo, South 1265.
EasyJet 368, plotting 350 to set to maintain 3000.
350 down to 3000, ExecJet 368.
Southwest 6961, reduce speed to 180.
108 knots, South 6961.
Galaxy 929 Alpha Whiskey, Delta's current at Midway, expect an RNAV Zulu, runway 22 left.
9 Alpha Whiskey, and we have Delta.
Flexjet 571 is 4 miles from the sales, cross sales at 3000, cleared RNAV Zulu, runway 22 left approach, reduce speed to 160.
160 on speed, 3000 until the service clear for the GPS
Zulu flick to 571.
He's at jet 368, caution wake turbulence, she'll be in travel
There's
Boeing
Griffin.
737
There's
on
my
final.
house.
Caution turbulence 368.
Southwest 171, 68 for 6,000, Delta, Drake German.
Southwest 171, Chicago, expect RNAV Yankee, runway 22 left.
Roger.
Southwest 822 at 4,000.
Southwest 822, roger. He's at jet 368, reduce speed to 180.
180 speed, expect jet 368.
Galaxy 9 Alpha Whiskey, caution wake turbulence, she'll be in trouble Boeing 737 on final, reduce speed to 200.
I understand. We're slowing to 200, 9 Alpha Whiskey.
And flaps 12.
Southwest
Speed checks,
101,
good
reduce
call,
speed to
selected
160, maintain that until Mondo, contact midway tower over Mondo, 135.2.
160 to Mondo and tower at Mondo for Southwest 101.
Southwest 6961, turn left heading 360.
360, South 6961.
Flex jet 571, can you see the 737 just inside of a 2-mile final at 1,400?
Yeah, got him inside, flick jet 571.
571, thank you, maintain
12 flap
visual
showing.
separation from that traffic,
Roger,
contact
thanks.
midway tower,
20 flap
135.2.
checks.
3022, we'll see ya.
Okay. Southwest 171, turn right heading 360, descend to maintain 4,000.
Right turn 360, descend to 4,000, Southwest 171.
Southwest 822, reduce speed to 180.
180, Southwest 822.
Galaxy 9er Alpha Whiskey, reduce speed to 180, then descend to maintain 3,000.
Okay, 180 speed, then down to 3,000, 9 Alpha Whiskey.
He's at jet 368, reduce speed to 170.
170,
Alright, I see 3,000. Slowing her back, and I'll start down momentarily.
Southwest 171, descend to maintain 3,000.
Descend to 3,000.
Coming up on
Southwest
180. Start down.
Southwest
Checks.
6961, turn left heading 290, when able direct sales, speed 170.
290, direct sales, Southwest 6961.
Southwest 1687, reduce speed to 180.
Alright, slow to 180, Southwest 1687.
Could give us
Galaxy
direct
9er Alpha Whiskey, turn left heading 300, when able direct sales.
Okay, left 300, and whenever we'll direct sales, we'll go there now, 9 Alpha Whiskey.
Southwest 6961 is 7 miles from sales, cross sales at 3,000, corridor
There's
nav Yankee,
sales.
runway 22 left approach,
Roger,
maintain
looks good,
170 knots.
and having it up.
Sales at 3,000, clear to RNAV Yankee, 22 left, 170 knots, Southwest 6961.
Southwest 171, clear direct sales.
Direct sales, Southwest 171.
Galaxy 9er Alpha Whiskey is 11 miles from sales, cross sales at 3,000, corridor nav Zulu, runway 22 left approach, maintain 170 knots.
Okay, 170 speed, 3s to sales, and cleared the RNAV Zulu 22 left, 9 Alpha Whiskey.
Southwest
I heard
6961, make your speed
170, and we were
180.
clear for the approach.
180 knots, South
Let's
6961.
go ahead and do flaps 20.
Southwest
Okay.
171,
Radio
at 3,000,
over.
reduce speed to 180.
At 3,000, slow to 180, Southwest 171.
20 showing. TRs are armed. Emergency brake is neutral. Sinks
He's at jet
off.
368,
Flight
maintain
AB's retract
170
ground
knots
AB is
until
coming
Mondo,
armed.
caution
Will
wake
be landing
turbulence,
here
contact
next.
midway tower over Mondo,
Roger.
135.2.
We have captured. We're
Two over Mondo, 170, expect jet 368.
and
Southwest 171 is 13 miles from sales, cross sales at
approach.
3,000, cleared RNAV Yankee, runway 22 left approach,
BGP
maintain
at
180
standing
knots.
by.
All
At
checks.
3,000, sales, clear for RNAV Yankee 22 left, 180 knots, Southwest 171.
Low and slow coming in here today.
Yeah, trying to see how many he had coming in.
He has to drop us in, not on an arrival. He's got to slide us in between the
Yeah.
guys on the arrival. The math and the logistics that go with that is pretty
Southwest
fantastic.
171,
Yeah,
reduce
this
speed
guy,
to
you can tell
170.
he's very versed.
Southwest 171.
Southwest 822, turn left heading 360, descend to maintain 3,000.
3,000, 360 heading Southwest 822.
Galaxy 9er Alpha Whiskey, caution wake turbulence, maintain 170 knots until Mondo, contact midway tower over Mondo, 135.2.
Okay, we'll do 170 to Mondo. We'll call the tower there, 9 Alpha Whiskey.
Southwest 171, maintain 170 knots until
170
Mondo,
to
contact
Mondo.
midway tower
That's what I
over
heard.
Mondo, 135.2.
170 to Mondo and tower at Mondo, Southwest 171.
Southwest 1687, descend to maintain 3,000.
3,000, Southwest 1687.
Haven't flown this with this change yet, so I'm curious to see how much better lined up it puts you.
Yeah, it still has you off to the side quite a bit, at least
Yeah.
memory last time.
It doesn't look like this. Looks like that Dixon and Mondo.
Southwest 822,
Bend it out a
turn
little
left
bit.
heading 300 when able direct
So
sales.
you're coming more of an eagle towards ZV.
Southwest 822, 7 miles from Sales, cross Sales at 3000, Court Ave Yankee, runway 22 left approach, reduce speed to 170.
170 knots, cross Sales at 3000, clear RNAV Yankee, Southwest 822.
Southwest 1687, turn left heading 360, reduce speed to 170.
Alright, left turn 360, slow to 170, Southwest 1687.
Vertical glide past alive.
On the right.
Southwest 822, maintain at 170 knots until Mondo, contact Midway Tower over Mondo,
I see you
135.2.
have 1,000
Alright,
set,
170
and gear
Mondo,
down.
contact tower there, Southwest
195, good gear speed is selected.
PGP is capturing. Airport and runway are
Radio
inside.
altimeter.
Okay, they're down 3 green skids on, light out with good hydraulic pressure.
Galaxy 9 Alpha Whiskey, can you see the 737 2-mile final at 1,400?
I have him in sight.
Inside, 9 Alpha Whiskey.
Galaxy 9 Alpha Whiskey, thank you. Follow that traffic, clear visual approach runway 22 left, contact Midway Tower 135.2.
Okay, follow the traffic and put a visual to the left, call tower, 9 Alpha Whiskey.
Southwest 1687,
Straight at parking queue, HN 316.
Lots of spacing.
And we're past Mondo, slowing it back.
Check. Midway Tower Galaxy 929 Alpha Whiskey is with you, Mondo, 22 left.
Galaxy 929 Alpha Whiskey, Millie Tower on 18015, gust 21, runway 22 left, clear to land.
Okay, 22 left, clear to land, 9 Alpha Whiskey.
Flaps 40.
Selected. Body flap showing.
Roger.
Just touched down.
Roger.
Winds are going to be left to right.
Reverse available.
Roger. About ZV, I'll
Turn
click off
left
the
over to
autopilot
ground.
and step over.
Okay. Holding rough and 5. 1,000 feet and stable.
Roger.
Tower Southwest 171, RNAV Yankee 22 left.
1,000.
71 Millie Tower on 18015, gust 21, runway 22 left, clear to land.
Clear land 22 left, Southwest 171.
Pilot's coming off. Yaw damp off and stepping over.
Okay, 3 green, 40 flaps, yaw amps displayed. The runway is clear now. We've been cleared to land, landing checklist complete.
Roger.
Rough. Good. 500 and stable.
Approaching 2 left.
Short final runway 22 left.
300.
Roger.
Hold the ref.
$100.
Tower Southwest 822, Mondo 22 left.
822 Millie Tower on 18015, gust 21, runway 22 left, clear to land.
50.
Clear land 22 left, Southwest 822.
30. 20. 10.
And your top.
Got your tops.
3,000 remaining. $2,000 remaining.
5, radar service terminated, free exchanges approved. Good night. 9 Alpha Whiskey, left on Yankee 2 into parking.
Okay, left Yankee to parking, 9 Alpha Whiskey.
Clear on the left.
Clear right.